Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your personal effects with Liberty Mutual Insurance, complete guide step by step clearly. To protect your personal effects with Liberty Mutual Insurance, start by gathering all relevant information about your belongings. Make a detailed inventory of your personal effects, including electronics, jewelry, art, and furniture. Document each item with pictures and description. Next, visit the Liberty Mutual website or contact an agent for assistance. Explore their coverage options to understand what policies are available for personal belongings. Consider a homeowner's or renter's insurance policy if you don't already have one. Evaluate if additional coverage is necessary for high-value items, like jewelry or collectibles. Calculate the total value of your personal effects to determine how much coverage you need. Choose a policy that fits your needs and provides adequate protection for your inventory. Request a quote from Liberty Mutual to see the potential costs involved. Review the terms and conditions of the policy carefully. Understand any deductibles, limits, and exclusions that may apply to your coverage. Once you select a policy, complete the application process either online or over the phone. Make sure to set the appropriate coverage limits based on. After securing your policy, keep a copy of your insurance documents in a safe location. Consider revisiting your inventory and policy annually to ensure that both remain up to date. If you experience a loss, contact Liberty Mutual promptly to file a claim. Provide all necessary documentation, including your inventory and any supporting photos. Follow up on your claim regularly to stay informed about its progress. By taking these steps, you will effectively protect your personal effects with Liberty Mutual Insurance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.